New from Sevicol Ultra, sore throat plus cough drops.
Alright, what was in your mouth?
A cough drop.
No, it's a
What was it?
lozenge.
A what?
Lozenge.
A lozenge.
A what?
Lozenge. No, no, no. I can't talk.
Let's see your tongue. Put your tongue.
Look what I can do.
Hey, why don't you give him another one?
You want another one?
Yes. Give him like 2 or 3.
Okay.
You should grind him up.
Let's grind him up.
Then it won't numb him because he
No,
has to sit there.
it'll
That don't taste good.
start chewing him.
No, that won't. No, then it won't numb.
Yeah.
Ow. It tastes so bad.
He's about to cry.
What was it like again?
It's like masturbation and potato chips. You just can't stop. Come on now. Oh, that's better. She has a seizure.
She has a what?
A seizure. Seesaw. You're sliding down my throat.
How you see?
Masturbation potato chips.
You just can't stop.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow.